Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. All right, so look, bottom line, you can carry whatever ideologies, bullish or bearish, into this thing that you want to and get all upset when your ideology is not playing out for 10, 20, or 30 handles. But what's actually happening here is we're in a massive battle over a number of key areas. You've got the 50 and the 200 day up top, exponential. You got the 100 day exponential underneath, and it's intersected by the monthly pivot and big round number 4,000. Just a great big battle over whether we want to trade with 4s on the front of these numbers or 3s on the front of these numbers. And it's been going on for a few days now. So, hourly chart, everybody's had their chance since Wednesday. Bears have had their chances. Bulls have had their chance. Bears have had their chance. It's, and it all keeps coming back in. You got the Bears pushing back down now. I'll be interested to see. 39.77 was a big number for me. They printed it. They traded below it. They couldn't deal with 74. I was disappointed to have to get out of my shorts down there, and then by 82, 83 get into a long. I wasn't disappointed with the handles that we made though. There was what I wanted to do with my day was just let that runner work, kick back, relax, hang out in the room, and do whatever. Price did not want to do that. But this is when I get back to, you can't get dug in. You can't sit around and say, well, the tape should be doing X. Therefore, I'm just going to take this square peg and I'm going to bang it into this round hole until, we pass out. So it's like, it's very two-sided right now, and you have to be two-sided as well. You can't be dancing when it goes down and bitching and moaning when it goes up. You have to, you can, but you have to recognize how completely biased that is and how that's going to affect your trading. I did about an hour yesterday in the room. We turned the record button on. I did an hour yesterday on trader psychology because it's just so prevalent everywhere. It's just, you've got to roll with it. In reality, what you've got is a very nice two-sided trading tape. So just enjoy it. Be flexible, take your profits, respect risk, and, they'll figure it out at some point. The Bollinger Bands tried to widen a little bit. They did widen a little bit, and we'll see how this goes. But as far as today is concerned, the Bears absolutely must take out 74, go to work on areas like 63. The Bulls want to hold serve. They want to close this with anything with a 4 on it, potentially try to take out yesterday's high, and then we can get into next week, get a new weekly pivot. But it's a consolidation. It's a battle. And people tend to get frustrated when this happens because they have a whole set of things that they want the market to do. The market does them for a little while, and then it does the opposite, and you end up right back where you started. There's no reason to get frustrated. It's been a solid week. It's been a solid month. We're not going to be chasing performance this afternoon. If this thing wants to chop and do its thing, chances of us trading a ton this afternoon aren't real good. We'll trade the morning and see what we have. But there's a decent shot that we get. I guess the best word I could use is I wouldn't be surprised if the morning was pretty sloppy. We've been sitting down between 39.90 and 39.95 now for about going on 45 minutes to an hour. I think 4,000 needs a look in the light of day. Monthly pivot needs a look in the light of day. And then if the Bears are serious, they need to reject that move, take it down, and break 74. So right now you got hourly mid-band, volume-weighted average price sitting right around 6.5, 7. Daily pivots at 08. Proprietary moving average is right there. It's at 99. So there's just a lot of traffic here. Now the good news is consolidation, expansion. We're setting up the next leg of the tape, and it's going to be pretty significant, whether that's to the upside or the downside. It's up to you to decide whether or not you're going to take advantage. Or if it doesn't go your way, are you just going to sit around and kick stones and, miss out on all that opportunity because you just can't short it or you just can't buy it? Or, the better thing to do is just trade the thing. Just trade it. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you Monday.